This is the Kryptonite's ultimate front end package for all the Chevy or GMC HD trucks. So we're dealing with two kits here. First one being the Ultimate 10 steering package, which covers your center link, idler, pitman, their supports, along with the heavy duty tie rod ends. And then there's also the Stage 3 leveling kit, which covers your control arms, shocks, shock extensions, and the torsion keys. So no matter what you're using your truck for, whether you're hauling a camper, drag racing that thing on the weekend, this is everything you're gonna need in order to ensure it's gonna take the beating. The warranty is second to none. They literally encourage you to jump your truck, pull your truck, slam it on the ground. If something breaks, Kryptonite's gonna take care of you. It's the baddest stuff in the market when it comes to upgrading those worn out suspension components. This is without a doubt why they call it the ultimate front end package. At HSP, we wanna make sure you guys get everything right for your build the first time. My name's Mike. I'd be happy to talk to you guys about your build. So give us a call, click that link below. We look forward to talking to you soon.